Hi, my name is Zoe, and I'm the Business Director Supply Chain Solutions at Ames. I want to show you a really exciting new prototype we've built called SENSAI. And SENSAI is an AI-based assistant which guides the users through their network design studies. SENSAI will operate and help in a couple of elements. The first one is creating alerts for the user. So what is relevant in the world for that particular company, for their specific use cases, keywords, preferences, all the news they want to hear. Then SENSAI will determine what the impact of a certain alert is for you. So how will it impact your network? And third, it will suggest and automate the scenario creation for you. Let's watch the prototype together. So now you're looking at SENSAI. And SENSAI is going to search for relevant alerts for this particular user. And we're looking at fictional data. So we've built a fictional company in the petrochemical industry. And for this fictional company, we set up a profile. So what is this company all about? What are their competitors? What are the keywords they are interested in to receive alerts on? And we have explained what their network's all about. So where are their suppliers, where are the warehousing facilities, where are the customers, what are their raw materials, what are their finished products. All this information is now provided to AI, the AI assistant, and SENSAI will now scrape the world for relevant alerts for this particular company. As you can see on the screen, there are different alerts being loaded right now. And as a user, you can easily already see if there's a high, medium, or low importance for a certain alert created for you. As a user, however, you do need to make the sense check if a certain alert is relevant for you. And as we know, AI still makes mistakes, is hallucinating. So as a user, you can always go to the original source of the alert and check if it's really relevant for your business. We have an example here of a Korean business article. And me, as a Central European user, I don't normally check my Korean newspaper. So this might be new information for me, which can be really relevant for my network. If it's relevant, then you can mark this as a user and you can already read what the impact can be on your networks. And it's all in human language. Now we're switching screens and you are looking at SE Navigator. SE Navigator is the Ames tool, and we have visualized the network of this fictional company in our screen just now. Now we are looking at three bubbles. And these three bubbles, these are the locations who are directly impacted by the alert we just found. The bubbles loading right now are all the locations which are indirectly impacted by the same alert. And as you can see, one alert from a business newspaper in Korea has a huge impact on our Central European networks. Now we're going back to SENSAI, because as a user, we want to continue learning what the impact is of this news article for our network. And as you can see, the AI assistant already suggested some of the changes you can make to your networks. And again, as a user, as a supply chain professional, you make the sense check if this is really a good suggestion or that some elements need to be changed. Then if you hit the button, then AI and SE Navigator will work together again, and the scenario will be created for you. It also allows you to compare the suggested scenario with your original scenario. So in a couple of seconds, we are going to see two networks next to each other. The one on the left side is the one AI suggested. The one on the right side is the original network. And at a first glance, you will see that the networks looks pretty similar. And if we scroll down here, you can see that there's a teeny tiny change made, because there's one of the transport lanes which is suggested to be removed by AI. And that is the change in your network. So now let's see if there are any changes in your costs associated with this suggestion. And it is. And based on this suggestion, we actually saved a lot of money for this network and got the cost down. Thank you so much. This is the prototype. As I said, it's not a product just yet. We are now in the stage to look what we will make as a first release. And watch this space. Thank you.